Welcome to an in-depth look at one of the most treasured fruits in both culinary and cultural histories, the fig. With its rich sweetness, smooth texture, and unique nutritional benefits, the fig has been adored by civilizations for thousands of years. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about figs, from their origins and fascinating cultivation process to the intricate art of harvesting and the steps involved in transforming them into delectable dried figs and jams. If you're curious about the journey from fig farm to plate, join us, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on the world of agriculture and gourmet foods. Did you know that figs aren't technically fruits? They're actually inverted flowers, meaning the juicy flesh enjoyed in each bite comes from countless tiny flowers blooming inside the fig. This unique structure has fascinated botanists and admirers alike for centuries. Originating in ancient Western Asia and the Mediterranean, figs were one of the first domesticated plants, dating back over 11,000 years. Figs held a prominent place in the lives of ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, who revered them as symbols of abundance, prosperity, and even fertility. The fig tree itself is considered sacred in various cultures and has deep-rooted historical significance in religious texts. Today, figs continue to be celebrated for their exceptional health benefits. They are a rich source of dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals, particularly calcium and potassium, which are essential for maintaining bone health and cardiovascular function. Their high antioxidant content also supports a healthy immune system, making figs a powerhouse for well-being. In the kitchen, figs shine in both sweet and savory dishes, offering versatility and a natural sweetness that enhances a range of flavors. Fresh figs bring a delicate sweetness and visual appeal to salads, complementing creamy cheeses like goat cheese and blue cheese. They're also a perfect addition to charcuterie boards, where their sweetness balances salty cured meats. Dried figs, with their concentrated flavor, are ideal for baking, adding depth to granolas, cookies, and cakes. They're also essential in jams, chutneys, and sauces, where their natural sweetness pairs harmoniously with spices, vinegars, and even rich meats. Roasting figs brings out their caramel-like qualities, intensifying their flavor and creating a delightful texture. Preserving figs, either through drying or canning, extends their enjoyment year-round, making them a timeless staple in pantries worldwide. Whatever the season, figs add a touch of sophistication and a burst of natural sweetness to any dish, from breakfast to dinner. Fig trees thrive in warm, sunny climates, particularly in regions like the Mediterranean, the Middle East, and parts of the Americas. These resilient trees prefer well-drained, loamy soils with a pH between 6.0 and 6.5, which helps ensure nutrient availability. Established fig trees are relatively drought-tolerant. However, young trees require regular watering, especially during dry periods, to support growth and fruit production. Farmers often plant fig trees in early spring or autumn to allow roots to establish before extreme temperatures set in. Fig trees generally require minimal fertilization, though a light application of organic compost in spring provides essential nutrients that support fruiting. Pruning is an important practice in fig tree cultivation, as it helps maintain a manageable size and promotes airflow to prevent disease. Removing excess growth also ensures the plant's energy goes into producing quality fruit. Figs are typically harvested at peak ripeness, as they do not continue to ripen once picked. A perfectly ripe fig is soft to the touch, exudes a sweet aroma, and sometimes even has a small droplet of nectar at its base. Since figs are delicate, they're harvested by hand to avoid bruising or damaging the skin. Harvesters gently twist the fruit to separate it from the branch, taking care to avoid squeezing. For export markets, figs are often harvested slightly underripe to withstand transport. Because figs on the same tree ripen at different times, farmers conduct multiple harvests throughout the season. This ongoing picking process ensures that each fig reaches consumers with the best possible flavor and texture. After harvest, figs intended for drying undergo careful washing and are then placed on drying racks or trays, either in the sun or in controlled drying chambers. This drying process can take days, as factors like temperature and humidity must be carefully managed to preserve the fig's unique flavor and chewy texture. Once dried, figs are sorted, packed, and distributed for both domestic and international markets. Fresh figs for jams and pastes are washed, trimmed, and cooked down with sugar and spices, resulting in a rich, spreadable product that retains the essence of fresh figs. Dried figs and fig-based products undergo rigorous quality control to remove any impurities, ensuring that only high-quality products reach the consumer. These meticulous processing steps help preserve the fig's natural nutritional value and delicious taste, making them a cherished staple worldwide. From their ancient roots to modern kitchens, figs remain a beloved and versatile fruit celebrated across cultures. Whether enjoyed fresh, dried, or as a jam, figs offer a unique flavor profile and impressive nutritional benefits that have endured through the ages. The care taken from cultivation to processing ensures that every fig reaches consumers at its best, ready to delight palates and nourish bodies. For those who appreciate the journey of food from field to table, figs provide a fascinating glimpse into both history and modern agriculture. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more captivating videos on the world of food and farming, and thank you for joining us on this journey.